Hello and welcome back, my friends. Today I have a treat and it's my very first time here at Yaamava, and I've already gotten a little bit of history, and it's about the people of the pines, Yaamava, and some of the details that they have included just in the carpeting alone. The pine trees here on the left-hand side, and then the waterfall, which represents the pool side. And we are getting a first glimpse right now into one of the rooms, so come along with me. We now get to take a look at their wellness suite. This is a 1-bedroom, 770 plus square feet. We've got a nice, upgraded, beautiful living space right here. Check this out. Love this vibe. Comfy chair. Overlooking the pool, nice spa music. This looks so comfortable. A couch, it accommodates 4 people. Nice little desk setup. And now I'm gonna take you into one of my favorite areas of this room, and that is this beautiful bathroom. Spa-like tub, my gosh, I can imagine jets, Epsom salt. After a day of gambling, I would totally be spending a lot of time there. Beautiful setup, tons of space. Perfect for me because I like to do my makeup and spread out a little bit. Very spacious shower. We've got the waterfall top there. Seating area. This is an extremely sought after room here at the Yaamava property. So I'll include those details down below for you on exactly how you can book this space. But yeah, and a little beautiful bar setup, very modern. This is a great space. While we are moving on up in this tour, my friends, we are in this beautiful, beautiful space. 11-foot ceilings in here, 1,480 square feet. This room accommodates 6 people. Wait until you see. This is just our dining area. Beautiful flat screen. I love this table. Oh, parties in here. My gosh, this is the spot. Then we've got a nice bar setup, bar seating. Great place to entertain. I mean, I feel like I'm in a studio, a nice apartment building here. Seating area, and then we're heading into the first bedroom. And we've got another king bed, desk area, more seating, beautiful bathroom, very spacious closet, nice shower, and we're not done. We're gonna head over to the right-hand side of here. This is like for the whole family or a special event, bachelorette parties, bachelor parties. So now we've got 2 beds in this space. You've got some more seating over here, desk area, and then another double sinks. Shower. This is a great space. We are standing outside of Radiance Cafe, which is near the pool area here. They do exclusively offer brunch on Sundays. You want to make sure that you get a reservation, but they are open throughout the day, serving some delicious options. We'll go in, check out that menu, see what's available. So these are some of the yummy options that they have available. They've got yogurt parfaits, smoked salmon, avocado toast, Caesar salad, strawberry and watermelon salad, entrees. This brunch menu looks delicious. This is perfect if you've been laying by the pool, you want to grab something to eat. They've got light options, a little bit of mixture of everything, lots of variety. Radiance Cafe, doing it right over here. Another great option by the pool, if you're not interested in any of the lounge chairs, you want something with a little bit of shade, a little bit of luxury, and of course some service. The cabanas here at the pool at Yaamava are a really nice option. We've got some comfy seating, very stylish, flat screen television here. This is a great spot for the family, any of your loved ones, friends celebrating the cabanas here. Here at the Helix Bar, they have a variety of signature cocktails. I found out from the bartender the hot yoga, which has Tito's vodka, watermelon, cucumber, habanero tincture, and lime, as well as purple rain are their top favorites. So if you're thirsty and you're looking for an alcoholic beverage here at the Helix Bar, you may want to try both of these options. We have just arrived at the Y Lounge here, their luxurious lounge area, which is available to suite guests or exclusively available by the host, and we've gotten access today. So we're gonna check out this lovely space, and we have something special to show you that they offer here as well. So open seating, full bar menu available, reserve spirits, and I mean, pages and pages, as well as signature cocktails and small bites. They typically have a buffet set up over here. So it's typically set up here, a buffet, delicious options for small bites. A cocktail waitress will come over to your table and serve you. Also bottles, wine bottles available, and additional seating in this area. Now, they're not open right now, but I'm absolutely going to come back when they are to try some of these yummy small bite options that they have and grab a drink. These beautiful Versace glasses that are available when you do any of their top shelf liquors, such as these cognacs down below or anything on the Collection 86 menu. And we get a sneak peek and a closer look. How cool. Wow, this space is stunning with a full bar here, and you've got the duality of indoors as well as outside on the patio, so you can enjoy the outside as well as the inside. And a cigar lounge. This is the space that I would be hanging out in. Floor to ceiling windows, you get the full view. Comfortable seating, the colors. Oh, we have to head outside. Can you imagine at night being out here with a cold beverage or a cocktail, glass of wine? And while Yaamava is a smoke-free casino, there is a cigar lounge here where you can get exclusive cigars or bring your own. Rolling mountain views and a full look. This is the view. This is where you want to be, my friends. At least this is where I would be. And they even have heat lamps set up, so when it's not as warm outside, you can still be out here enjoying your beverage or enjoying your cigar with friends or family and stay warm and enjoy the view. We are heading into, I think, what is going to be your favorite part. And this is where you can get a liquor locker. Now, if you have an extra $5,000, one of these lovely lockers could be yours. But in this room, they have a secret. So I'm gonna give you a sneak peek of what's behind this door. Welcome to the Cigar Lounge. It's like a little speakeasy that's hidden in the Y Lounge. All of these different lighters. And behind this display in the Cigar Lounge is their super rare cigars. One of them, market value, the Alfred Dunhill London, $5,500 for one cigar. Way, way, way out of my price range, but I'm sure it is pretty amazing. So be sure to check out this space the next time that you're here at Yaamava and you've got suite access or your host has given you exclusive access.
In my next video, we're taking things up a notch. I'll be heading to The Pines, Yaamava's award-winning steakhouse, to give you a complete review of their menu. And get this, I'll be trying their famous $65 burger. Is it really worth the hefty price tag? You'll have to tune in to find out. See you next time.